thank you all for joining us here today of great celebration and reverence in which we come. Marriage is, indeed, the perfect garden from which to sow and harvest personal growth. You need to depend on that foundation of trust and love throughout your marriage. You will experience higher highs, lower lows than ever before. But now, you'll be in it together for good. My parents are approaching 40 years of marriage, and I decided to ask my dad how that happened. He said it's simple and can be answered in 2 words. Kevin, pay attention. These wise words can carry your marriage for many years. These wise words are, yes, dear. With that in mind, let's check some legal boxes, shall we? At this point in the wedding ceremony, I would usually ask our guests if there's anyone in attendance who has cause to believe this couple should not be joined in marriage. You may speak now or forever hold your peace. But I will not be asking that of you today, as you have all had plenty of time for that already. Instead, I will be asking that you all take a vow as their family and friends. Seeing that we're in a baseball stadium, what greater event doesn't have the wave involved, with fans cheering in support of the home team. So when I say this vow, I'm pointing at you, starting from my left to the right. Let's do the wave and let Charlotte hear. Okay, you may now kiss your bride.
Baby, you look good out there, yeah? My hair keeps messing up. Oh, hand sanitizers. Oh, a face mask. This is like if you didn't bring one, I guess. But look, they have their name on it. Oh my gosh. I hope she does not fall in that dress. She cannot. They're so cute. They're like, that is not part of the script. They're so cute. Oh, to be young. All right, we get to be in the elevator going up to the reception. Yeah. He saw my shoes. He's like, you want the elevator? I'm like, I'm not doing the stairs. Oh yeah. You excited about your speech?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do it. You'll be fine.
haven't prepared for later, but I'm so happy for the both of you all. So let us pray. I just wanted to thank Emily, Kevin, Emily's parents as well as Kevin's parents for organizing this amazing wedding. It was absolutely beautiful, and I think it was a perfect reflection of your own love story. So I thank you for allowing us to be a part of your day. Now, Kevin.
Those stories.
Kevin looks a little nervous, which he should be, by the way. I have so many stories on Kevin. A couple of pictures and maybe a video as well. But unfortunately, I can't share half of them here. But in all seriousness, me and Kevin met about 12 years ago. I was in that one. Met about 12 years ago. I was a freshman at UNC Chapel Hill, and Kevin was a sophomore. I did a random roommate assignment, and at the time it sounded like a really good idea. I was trying to be spontaneous. It ended up being a terrible idea. Me and my roommate, we did not get along at all. Like, just nothing in common. It just was not a good situation. So I reached out to the housing association and I said, look, is there any way I can get assigned to another room? And they told me that there was one guy across the hall from me who had a room available, and there was also another guy downstairs on the first floor who had a room available. I said, okay, well, he's right across the hall, so let me try him first. Let's see if that works out. So I went over there, and immediately me and Kevin just really hit it off. We realized that we had a lot in common. And we ended up living together for 2 years, and we've just been really good friends ever since. Honestly, you're really more of a brother to me. Like, you're not even like one of my best friends. You're genuinely like a brother to me. I met Emily 2016. I actually remember the day. Kevin called me and he said, Randy, why don't you come over? I've got someone that I want you to meet. We can go to the pool and we can hang out. So I said, okay, cool. I'll hang out. So I went over there, and that was when I met Emily for the first time. And she just really struck me because she was so down to earth. She was so easy to talk to. I could tell she was super smart. She was really into reading and books, and she also was like into science as well. And like the whole time I'm thinking, like, why are you with Kevin? Like, which is very true. And you all have so much in common, but at the same time, your differences complement each other as well. And it's really, really beautiful. So just as a few final words, because Kevin told me to keep it short. Kevin, I just want you to know that I'm so glad that I walked through that door 12 years ago and that we met. And if you would have told me 12 years ago when I walked through that door that I'd be standing up here giving a best man speech to you, I probably wouldn't believe it. So I just want you to know that I'm so thankful for you, and I just always hoped that you would meet somebody that genuinely appreciated you and that genuinely valued and that genuinely valued you for the person that you are, and I'm so glad that you found that. And Emily, my last words to you are, good luck.
Yeah.
I am so happy that you and Kevin met and that you all are married now. I think that you are absolutely perfect for him. Kevin has evolved so much since you've been in his life. He has so much joy. I was looking at pictures of him the other day, and he just always looks so happy. Like, I've never seen him so happy. So, I think that a lot of that has to do with the fact that you two are together. So I just want to say that I'm super happy for the both of you all, and I'm super excited to see where this journey takes you all. So just want to do a toast toast to Emily and Kevin and to years of happiness. Cheers.
Oh my God!
That's what I thought. Much better. We are just a moment away. Need your help, however, we're going to count it down. So be just as loud as you were a moment ago. We're going to count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
the words.
I mean,
My loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe, That was fun, but we are pooped. My feet are killing me. Hey, that's that TV show. My feet are killing me.
yeah,
Brandon's feeling good.
I feel good.
He's tired. He's been up since 7. They had the grooms on playing golf this morning.
This is it right here.
Okay. It's like, wedding was lovely. The fireworks are beautiful. He told the whole neighborhood to come out and see it, which is really sweet because he really did do it just for his wife, but it's really nice.
It was nice.
Anyway, we're waiting for our Uber. We're gonna go home now. Have fun. I love you. Give me a mouse kiss. This is the dress. And of course, it's been a whole long night, so I look tired, but this is what it looks like. Okay, so huge shout out to the only black queen, Tobi, my girl. She killed it with this dress. I think she had maybe like 3 days to make it, if not less. Sorry for the light glare. But yeah, my shoes, I already took my shoes off, but I slipped them back on so you could kind of get the full effect. But she made it look like I had a shape when I really didn't, because, you know, COVID weight. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me step back. But this is post dinner and everything. She did a good job getting something that was vibrant enough to hide any food babies I got. Oh, and the best part, I gotta show you. At the 11th hour, I was gonna go pick up a mask from Davy's Bridal. At the last minute, she said, "How about we try it?" And between both of us, we made it happen. Look at that. Can you see it? There is so much glare. Let me come down here. See my face mask? Isn't it cute? We decided not to go with the same bright fabric, just for a little something something. So she made this in a very short amount of time. I'm really happy about it. And then lastly, I went to her house to get something. And this fabric was just lying there. I went to pick up my mask. And when I saw this fabric, I was like, I have to have this. Oh my God, it's gonna be cold. It's an outdoor wedding, it's at night. And so she decided to throw this together. So this is what we came about. And I think it looks like money. It feels amazing. It feels so soft. Even Brandon was like, oh, that feels good. It feels nice and warm. I'll come down here. So she made me a little shawl, like a little shrug. And honestly, it did the job. It kept me so warm. So I was able to watch the fireworks like this, and I really enjoyed it. So shout out to Tobi for killing this look. Thank you. She's amazing. And lastly, this was the bag I carried today. This is my Chanel walk, and this is the caviar one. Oops. I took caviar because anything rubbing against this dress, if it's lambskin, would scratch. The caviar one was gonna do a better job hanging out against this dress. And if I tell you there's so much in this bag right here, there's so much. Look at this. So we took pictures there. Okay, first of all, to get the admission into the, let's show you. To get into the ceremony place, it was like tickets, like a game. Isn't that cool? It was at the nice stadium. And then inside, you have your tickets, as if to a baseball game. Isn't that cool? Like a little scanning barcode and everything. Look at that. And then of course we took some photos at the photo booth. And I have a face mask they gave us there. They gave all the guest face masks. I have, oh, good thing I checked because this was leaking already. I have sanitary wipes, like my hand sanitizer. Make sure that did not stay in my bag. Anyway, I have a mirror palette because when I take off my mask, I want to make sure that it's not leaving any stains. I have lip balm, lipstick. They gave away hand sanitizers as favors. More napkins because my nose, just in case it's runny. My whole chain. Another lipstick. We have this guy, which is to hold my chain in case I wanted to shorten it. And my license and my card. Oh, and an extra face mask. So yeah, this bag fit quite a lot of stuff. Anyway, that's it for my impromptu what's in my bag. See how out of breath I am just from wearing heels for like 5 hours. I'm exhausted. So yeah, I'm gonna head to bed. We're tired. Thanks for watching.